Welcome to JH. I started using RootStim Beard Growth Serum because I was tired of my beard having more patchy spots than a mangy stray dog. The first thing I noticed is that it goes on incredibly smooth without feeling greasy or heavy. It absorbs so quickly that I can apply it in the morning and not worry about my face looking like a polished bowling ball. The scent is light and clean, making it easy to use every day without smelling like a botanical garden. After a few weeks of consistent use, which is a feat of discipline I rarely achieve, I actually began to see new growth in those sad, thin areas. It's finally looking fuller and more even, rather than a desperate attempt at facial hair. What's even better is that it conditions the hair too. So, instead of having a beard that feels like a dried-out bird's nest, it's now soft, healthy, and actually defined. When I brush it out now, it stays in place and doesn't feel like a wiry mess of steel wool anymore. The application dropper is foolproof, and a little goes a long way, which is great because I'd rather spend my money on literally anything else. It's made a noticeable difference in how my beard looks and feels, and I'm actually satisfied with the results, which is a rare win for my face.